I am Saulo the chef, and welcome. This is how I spend my day as a chef in an a la carte kitchen. Fresh orders, kitchen rush, and passion on every plate. Every day starts before the world wakes up. I rise with purpose, and I begin with prayer, because I know this journey is bigger than just food. It is a calling. I step outside, the air is still fresh, and I ride pedaling through quiet streets, chasing a dream that never sleeps. It isn't just a routine, it is discipline. I arrive, switch gear, and become someone else. The jacket goes on, and with it is responsibility. In that kitchen, I'm not just cooking, I'm creating experiences. Before anything else, I check the foundation. Freezer temperature, stable and safe. Equipment, tested and fully functional. Cleanliness, every surface inspected. Stock, reviewed, ingredients accounted for, knives sharpened and tools aligned. Because a great surface is always begins long before the first order. Then comes mise en place. Every ingredient, it is in its place. Every move is intentional, because greatness is always in the details. The restaurant looks empty before service, calm, almost silent. But in a moment, it fills up and everything changes. Before the service, we take our position. The hot kitchen where the associate builds depth and flavor with precision. The grill, fire, timing, and the perfect char. The pizza station, craft, balance, and consistency. And when we go to the salad section, it's all about freshness, fineness, clean, and presentation. The fryer, speed, crispiness, and control. And here's the big thing, and the pass, the final gate, where every plate meets its standard. Orders start flowing, the energy shifts, and before you even realize, time flies by. 1 minute is quiet, the next is full house, and we're in motion behind. And that's the beauty of it, the beauty of a la carte. You never feel the hours, only the rhythm of the kitchen. Yes, chef. Yes, chef. The evening shift is always one of the craziest. On some days, we have big bookings. On some days, we have big bookings, and the kitchen pushes to its limits. And I'm stationed at the saucier section and handling pasta, sauces, and starch. I control my station with focus and intensity. And I thrive under pressure, working the flame, executing flambe, moving with the pan, turning simple ingredients into refined plates. And every dish that leaves my station carries intention. It comes from the heart. And around me, everyone gives their best. A team moving in psych, under pressure, driven by excellence. Service turn deep into night, and by 11:30 p.m. we begin closing. Tired, drained, but fulfilled because it's a successful service. The kitchen is more than a workplace, I might say. It is where I put my craft into action. Yeah, and that's me, working in an award-winning restaurant in Diani, being part of the team that earns recognition through consistency and passion, and that is my life. Day after day, from preparation to pressure to the plates. It's never just a job. This is my journey, and this is my story, and this is who I am. As I walk out of the kitchen after a long day, the noise fades, the heat settles, and all that left are the memories made behind every plate. Being a chef in the a la carte kitchen isn't just about cooking. It's about passion, pressure, sacrifice, and showing up even when you're tired. And as this day comes to an end, one thing stays on my mind. Tomorrow we do it all again. Another morning, another service, another chance to create, to grow, and to show up. Thank you for watching.